Are you an entrepreneur or a business owner and you've heard everybody talk about digital marketing and social media and Google and blogs and all these things, and you really don't have an idea, but you've jumped into that world thinking that you might just hit the jackpot? If you have you been doing it right, or are you failing dismally? If you don't know, let's find out. Thank you for coming back. Today we're going to be talking about lead funnels, and I'm going to try and help you understand the maze of digital marketing so much better. So I think at the beginning of any digital marketing campaign, what you need to understand is that when you create a campaign, there's three things that you have to consider. Awareness. Do people know that I exist? Consideration. Have people considered me as a viable opportunity to use my service or to buy from me? We talk about engagement. And then, can I actually get a sale or a lead? That's called conversion. So in our world, we talk about top, middle, and bottom of funnel. Top of funnel is people that might just be introduced to your business for the first time. Middle of funnel, they've seen you before because of what you've done at the top. They start to recognize your brand because brand visibility happens at top of funnel. And they are starting to consider you. They're starting to engage with you. Bottom of funnel is they are actually sitting down with intent. There is confidence in your brand and they're ready to buy from you. They're ready to pick up the phone and call you or send you an email from your website to ask you for a quote on your service. How do we put all of this noise into a single viable strategy? Well, these are the things that you can use in the different levels, the different funnels. So for top of funnel, social media plays a massive role. A lot of people say, but I've been trying to use social media, but I never sell anything. Most of the time, social media is more about creating awareness, having enough content going out all the time to the right audience so that they start to notice your brand, notice your company, notice your products. This might be a multimedia clip or a video of showcasing your business or your products in a generic clip. At this point, we're not trying to sell anything. We're trying to tell people, hey, did you know that I exist? How's it? Do you know that you can buy from me? Did you know that I sell these products? That's top of funnel. That's why you write blogs. That's why you use search engine optimization, is to try and get closer to your client and becoming more visible so that they can see you and so that they can recognize you and so they can start building confidence that you might be the right person to do business with. That's top of funnel. We're not trying to sell anything here. We're trying to create relationships. We're trying to create recognizability. The next stage is middle of funnel. Middle of funnel is engagement. At this stage of your marketing campaign, you're trying to put the same product more frequently in front of these people that now know you exist. These are people that have found you before. They've been on your site. They are actually liking or being part of your Facebook page and following your business. So they've become aware of your brand. Now we're trying to add advice. We're trying to introduce new products. We're trying to communicate solutions to possible problems or products that can satisfy specific needs. Here you have to create a more targeted approach. So instead of just throwing a wide net and seeing if you can get noticed, here we're trying to drive specific engagements. We want people to scroll through 5 or 6 angles of the product or 5 or 6 similar products. Or we want to show them our latest project that we've completed, our latest installation, our latest server delivery. We've just landscaped this garden. We've just built this building. We've just painted this building, or we've just got this new product in, and this is what it does. That's a blog about that product. That's a showcase or a case study about the service delivery. That's where you are now. This is engagement. And we're trying to frequently do similar targeted posts, videos. so that people see we not just a one-trick pony, we do multiple of these. So if you're not showcasing your work, you're not showcasing this product frequently, you might be failing at middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. Now we want leads. Now we want sales. This is the place where you can use things like Google Ads, or you can use Facebook ads. This is the place where you want to do that special offer, where you have that product available, we have that event happening, we have that discounted service offering, where you've got something that you want to put in front of the buyer to actually engage and connect with you, and you want to create a push off the fence or a call to action. So people know you exist, top of funnel. They've seen you frequently, they start to believe in your brand. And now you say, we know it's December, you might need a renovation, you might need to paint your house. Book us now and save 30%. Or book us now and you'll get the product delivered for free. Now you want to create a post in Facebook, a Google ad that brings the viewer into a landing page where you have the product, where you actually sell the product and talk about the product or the service in detail, the benefits, why you're the right choice for that service, where you put the cost and a checkout if it's e-commerce, or you put a form to create a lead to say, please come see me, I want to get the service from you. That's bottom of funnel. That's conversion. Now we try and do the right moves. We're trying to create the right messaging to actually create sales opportunities. So recap, top of funnel, awareness. Lots of information frequently all the time. Video content's great for this. Social media, Facebook, Instagram is great for this. If you're a professional and it's business to business, Instagram, LinkedIn is good for this. TikTok for TikTok creators, that's good for that. I'm here. Did you know I exist? Did you know this is what I do? Now you build a following. Now you engage. Also frequent, but more widespread offerings. Yes, but we also do this. We also do this kind of service. Bottom of funnel conversion, we have this specific product on sale. We have this specific product we want to sell to you. This is how you benefit from it. This is what you can gain from using it. We've got the specific landing page for this specific service aimed at that audience. Don't you want us to come and help you with this? We have this service. You know you can trust us. You've seen us around, the engagement and the brand building. Now, why don't you buy from us? So if you've tried to do digital marketing, these 3 areas within your funnel is really important. And no, you won't sell every time you put a message out because it depends on where you are. So think about your marketing strategy and where in the funnel you are and who are you talking to and what are you trying to say. If it's brand awareness, what about your brand and who am I trying to show this is who we are? Engagement, who is the audience? Who am I talking to them? What can I say to them to engage with my brand, my product, my service more frequently? Bottom of funnel conversion, how can I get this person onto my landing page? What is the content that I'm putting on that landing page and how do I sell it to him? Can I do a special offer? Can I do a limited time offer? Can I give something away for free? Can I add free delivery? Can I see you for a free consultation? Can I give you 45 minutes of my professional time at no cost? Why don't you fill in the form? Why don't you add to cart? That's bottom of funnel. So do you understand sales funnels better? Do you now understand the 3 levels and how to engage at the different levels? If anything is unsure, leave a comment. I'll address as many questions as I can. And talking about addressing questions, thank you for spending the time with me. I know your time is precious. Thank you for subscribing and sharing, commenting always. If you want to grow your business and want more quality advice like this, become part of our community. Share this with friends and family. I'm Riaan Miles. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.